Hello. Today we are going to discuss fundamental of programming language. How it works when we code any programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. So we can learn languages languages like C, C++, Java, Python. All these three functions, all these three programmings like C, C++, Java and Python has some fundamental concepts. So we are going to see some fundamental concept based on these three programmings. So for these three programming language etc. can be more programmings like C sharp also, C sharp also. Then all these programs work under some fundamental concepts. First fundamental concept is input, process, output. Input, as we know that input needs in flowchart parallelogram. Input we will define by parallelogram, and under parallelogram there will be an input. Now second comes process. Process is written under rectangular box, and output is also written in parallelogram. So after input it goes for process, and after processing it goes to output. This is one concept. Concept 1. This is concept 1. Input, process, output. So input, process and output will always be used in C, C++, Java, Python, C sharp and so on programming languages. So what is input and what is process, what is output? We will discuss it later, but we are going to start the language C++. So please note down all these, and concept you can note down. Okay, have you noted down? Now we will come to C++ programming language, how it works. In concept 1, that is input. Input. Input is taken under two steps. That is, first step is you have to declare. First step, declaration. First step is declaration. Declaration of variables. Or variables. Now another second step is there. Assignment. Or you can say initialization. Of variable. So these two steps you have to follow in input. This is C++ language. So input has first step, declaration of variables. You have to declare. First step is that you have to declare the variables. Declaration of variables. Second is that assignment of or initialization of variables. How it works? See, we are declaring any variable. Int A is declared. This is declaration. Declaration of variable A. Declaration of variable A. Int A. After int A, you have to put the semicolon. This is declaration of variable. First step it is. This first step is int A, means declaration of variable A. Now A is equal to 16. A is equal to 16. A is equal to 16. What it is? It is second step, means this step. This is known as assignment or initialization of variable a. So int a and a is equal to 16. So this is second step, initialization or assignment of variable. This you have to keep in mind. Always these two steps are input. First we have declared the variable and we have initialized the variable. Is it clear? You can note down it. You can note down it as you like. You have understood now input. Now we will tell you how programming language works under input process output. Have noted down? Yes. Suppose this is mixi. This is mixi. Have you seen mixi? Mixi. You have a rice. A rice you have. A rice. This is rice. And this is mixi. You want to prepare dosa. Suppose you want to prepare dosa. And you have rice. This rice you will put into mixi and process takes place inside mixi. That is, it is going to, rice is going inside this mixi and mixi will grind it, and after grinding only you can make dosa. So here rice is data. Rice is data. And dosa is information. Data is information. And this here processing takes place. Processing takes place. Processing takes place. So we are going to first we are going to develop basic concept, and according to concept we will learn C programming, C++ programming. Note it down. First is input, then you need process, then you need output. Any programming language works under input, process and output. Input, process and output. So here I have data. I have collected data, and this data is I will put as input. Data I will put as input, and after input processing takes place. After processing, output is given. So this output is actually information. Or you can say processed data, or you can say a resultant value. So data can be in any form. Data can be any value. Like example 13. One example 13, 17.6. This is also any value. So data can be any value, 13, 17 and many more values are as a data, and we input that, then processing takes place, then output is given out. Okay, here everything is clear. So note it down if you need. Okay. Now we have not discussed process. What is process? Process can be basic arithmetic operations. operations. Here basic arithmetic operations. What is basic arithmetic operations? There are four types of basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and third is division. So process can be basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These four are called basic arithmetic operations. These four are called basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Process is based on basic arithmetic operations, but other processes are there. Other processes are there. We will discuss it later on. It is first you have to know basic arithmetic operations, which comes under process, and many more processes are there. That we will discuss later. Now we are going to program how to develop a C++ programming language. Write a program क्या है भाई चाय पियोगे हाँ हाँ चाय पियोगे ये हाँ write a programming So write a program. Simple program we are going to see. Write a program for addition. How we will do? First we will hash include IO stream dot h IO stream dot h dot h. Another include conio dot h. C is capital. As you say, C is small c. Now we are developing in void main. This is a function. Void main. Void main. Void main. This void main is a function. Is a function. And what type of function it is? Main function. Function. Main function. Okay. Now, what we have to do? Input A, comma B, comma C. C C, we are going to take value. Suppose we have declared declaration. We have done first step A, B and C we have declared. Now I put 16 and B I put 40. Now C is equal to A plus B. See here, basic arithmetic operation has been done. Basic arithmetic operation has been done. So this is basic arithmetic operation. And which type of basic arithmetic operation it is? It is addition. It is addition. Now we need output, result. So we write C out C. Here you will get the output. And one more function you will add it here. Get, G-E-T-C-H, get function. We will see later on what is get function, but it is mandatory to use get function. And get function is found in header file conio.h. And cout is found under iostream.h. Okay, till now this much. Classes is enough for you. We will discuss it later, how it works. Programming language C, C++, Java. I will be discussing Java, C, C++, Python, whatever you need, C#. Also we will going to discuss. You write all these functions and remember, have you noted all this? Okay, I am rubbing it. For if you need online classes, If you need online classes, WhatsApp me. WhatsApp 808449379. This is my WhatsApp number. If you want to do online classes, WhatsApp number is 808449379. Okay, thanks. See you later on.